How to AirDrop from iPhone to iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. Go to the network icons and then tap on AirDrop to turn it on. Long press on it again and select everyone for 10 minutes. After that, go back and open up the Files application on your phone. In the Browse page, you can view all your folder locations and more. Tap on any location from here. For example, on my iPhone. And then, tap on any folder. Here, press and hold the file you want to share and then tap on the share icon. You can view all the available sharing options over here. From here, tap on the AirDrop. You will now find all the people nearby who have their AirDrop turned on as well. From the options, choose the receiver. Following these steps, you can easily AirDrop from iPhone to iPhone.